Welcome to a tour of a theme park view room here at Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. Hi everyone, how's life and welcome to another one of my videos. So yes, this is a theme park view room at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. We have just checked in. If you want to check out our travel day vlog, then that will be linked down below. And I thought I would quickly show you a tour of this room. So this is where you come in. And you can see the carpet is wonderful, very cute. You've got some little birds on there. And then this over here is the room. As you can see, we've got two beds. Each bed is almost like, I would say, maybe a queen size bed. So just a little bit bigger than a single bed. Definitely not a double though. And then one of my favorite things about these rooms, which is the same in a standard room, are these beautiful artworks that you've got of Mickey and Minnie. Classic looking Mickey and Minnie. They're having a nice picnic. Same kind of artwork on the other side. Then in the middle, again, you've got some nice silhouettes of both Mickey, who's giving, I'm guessing, Minnie some flowers, and then Minnie, who's having a little tea party. Very cute. Here is another view of the room from this side over here. My mom is currently in the bathroom and she is loving all the fun amenity kits and things that they give you for free. We are going to get to the bathroom in a bit, but I also wanted to show you a view from this angle so you can see both rooms over here. Whilst we're here, actually, let me quickly mention that Tokyo Disneyland Hotel here in Tokyo Disney Resort isn't actually the most expensive of the hotels. It's definitely a deluxe hotel, don't get me wrong. However, they do also have the Hotel Mirror Coaster, which is literally inside Tokyo Disney Sea. I'm yet to stay there. Hopefully one day I'll get to stay there. And also recently they've opened up the Fancy Springs Hotel, and one side of it, the Grand Chateau, is definitely much more expensive than the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. However, for us, especially traveling with my mom, this is perfect because there might be some times where she might just want to stay in the room and not spend the whole day in the theme park. So this is actually why I booked us a theme park view room, because look at that. I mean, look at this. We can literally see Tokyo Disneyland here in front of us. That's the castle, the Cinderella Castle, looking beautiful. This is the monorail train station over there. You can actually see the sign for it down there. It says Tokyo Disneyland Station. You are able to open the windows as well. I'm pretty sure you should be able to. Oh, only from above though, which makes sense. I think most Disney hotels, even the ones in Disneyland Paris, only offer a slight opening of windows. So do bear that in mind as well. However, even though it's only a slight opening it up not only gets some fresh air in, but also I can hear the music from Tokyo Disneyland. Can you guys hear it a little bit? Oh, it's so magical. I cannot wait to go down there and spend the day down there in Tokyo Disneyland. That's going to be our first day here at the Tokyo Disney Resort. So exciting. I'm so happy to be back here at Tokyo Disney. Anyway, let me quickly show you some more details that they have here. So on the headboards, they do have a logo of the castle, which looks beautiful. They have these two bedside lamps as well above both of the beds. You do have a little table and chairs over here. And then these are some of the presents that you get given. It says Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. These are actually bags. And as you can see, they've got the same design or similar design of Mickey and Minnie. Classic looking Mickey and Minnie that you can see over there. Let me open this up quickly, by the way, so you can see exactly what it's like. Funnily enough, I do already own a couple of these from the past couple of times that I visited Tokyo Disney and stayed in the same hotel. But look at that. They're like a nice little tote bag. Wonderful design, Mickey and Minnie on one side. And then on the back, as you can see, there you go, it says Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. Do I look stylish enough? Anyway, carrying on, over here we've got a lamp. Really nice. I really like the wallpaper here as well. You've got some roses. You've got some little hidden Mickeys as well from time to time. There you go, very cute. You've got your bin over here. You've got the TV, nice looking TV. And I think that's meant to be the wardrobe from Beauty and the Beast up there. Very cool. And then in here, you do have pajamas provided for you. Now, you're free to wear these pajamas during your stay as many times as you want to, of course. However, you can't keep them. So just make sure you know that. Oh, wow, there's a DVD player here. Very random. Panasonic. I think all the other drawers are going to be empty. Yeah, there you go. You do have some storage area. How awesome is this view? Still can't get over it. So beautiful. Now here you've got a little sofa area, which is nice. You can sit here, relax. And I'm guessing this could also act as a third bed if you needed it to. And then right in the middle, actually, I forgot to show you. Firstly, shout out to Hien. Hien did our housekeeping today before we arrived. We've got your telephone. It's currently 9:30 in the evening, PM, so 21:30. You do have this little notepad with the Tokyo Disneyland logo on it. And then in there, you have a couple of postcards. Look at that. Cute little postcard of Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. There's a couple of them. You also have this one, which has Tinkerbell on it, Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. There's two. They also have 20th anniversary of Duffy and Friends because they're celebrating that currently in Tokyo Disney Sea. And then down here you've got a torch, which is a standard in most Japanese hotels. And yeah, carrying on, let's quickly go and have a look at the bathroom too. Not before stopping here to show you the kettle that they have, nice little teacups, and also these beautiful artworks of Beauty and the Beast. I love the Cogsworth one over there. And in here you have some more glasses, your coffees, teas, etc. And I have a feeling this might be a fridge, yeah. There you go. Should be empty though, but you can store your stuff in there if you want to. Right next to it, we've got the wardrobe, which has, your nice robes, very cool. Some extra pillows up there, and I'm pretty sure the pillows are going to be nice and firm. Oh, I love a good Japanese firm pillow. You've got your slippers, which the slippers you are free to take home with you, unlike the pajamas. Over here we've got a full-length mirror. Hello. And then let me quickly take you to the bathroom, which my mom has already had a look at and really enjoyed. So this is it. This is the sink. It's one sink, and these are all the amenity kits that you are free and welcome to take home with you. They are adorable. This is the toothbrush kit as well. Very cute. You've also got these little cups. They are so nice. This is one of my favorite things about staying in Tokyo Disney hotels. And you've got a wonderful mirror here too. To my left here is where the toilet is. So the toilet and the shower is separated. Of course, a wonderful Japanese style toilet where, you know, you can use the bidet, etc. to wash. Oh, I love that. That's so funny. And let me turn the light on. That's so cool. So yeah, this should be the shower technically. So full on bath. That's cool to know. Nice little design over there. And then if you wanted to just have a shower, you also have that option here. Last but not least, I've spotted one more mirror here. There you go. Another opportunity to see my face. And yeah, that's more or less it for a theme park review room here at Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. Now, make sure you keep watching because I might walk around the hotel a little bit and have a look at the shop perhaps as well. Also, my aunt and cousin are here with us too. They're in the room right next to us, which is very nice. This is our hotel room over here, room number 7516. This is where my mum and I are staying at. And this one, 7517, also a theme park view room, should be my aunt and cousins. Let me knock. Oh, hello. Thank you. And I've just been welcomed with a donut. What was the name of the donut? My aunt and cousin are here. There you go.
It's called I'm Donut. It's like
question mark.
I'm
Donut, yeah. Question mark. Okay. Oh, yeah, I see that. And how long did you wait in queue in line to get this, aunt?
20 minutes. 20 minutes.
I make shorter.
In Harajuku though, right? Harajuku, yeah. Tokyo. My aunt and cousin have been here for a couple of days. They arrived before us. But yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. This is what the donut looks like. It feels nice and soft. My mom's currently behind the camera. She's already had hers. She had a strawberry one. Oh, no, don't move this around 1 second. Let's give it a go. Background music, background atmospheric music by my mom.
How do you feel?
It's amazing. That's so good.
Yes.
It's something else. We've never experienced it. I'm feeling as well.
Why is it so soft?
Oh, yeah.
It's like we're eating a cloud.
Yes, we tried the strawberry one. It was really amazing.
Incredible. So we've just come to the Marceline Salon. This is basically the concierge level lounge because our rooms are also concierge level. So at this time of evening, it's currently about 10 minutes to 9 p.m. and the lounge is only really open until 10 p.m. They do have some little snacks here and there. There's some vegetable chips, mixed nuts, small bread rolls over here. We have some chocolate coins. Let's have a look. Yep, very cute. Really fun little section for children actually. These are some chocolate marshmallows over there, some candies and caramel biscuits. Because it's called the Marceline Salon, there's also quite a lot of photos here of Walt Disney. There you go, Walt Disney himself. Very cool, very historical. You've got your coffee, a selection of drinks, fruit juices here. Might get myself some orange juice. Unlimited bottles of water, mineral water, which is great. And yeah, the lounge looks beautiful. Oh my god, I can't believe we're so close to Tokyo Disneyland, the park. Yeah, it's got like a very old school wooden vibe to it. It's also bigger than I expected it to be, and also they have a little children's corner over there where you can sit and watch some TV. Currently looks like they're playing Tangled. Love that scene. But yeah, just thought I would quickly show it to you. If we get a chance, we might come back into the lounge at some point over the next couple of nights that we're here, but it's unlikely to be fair because I'm probably going to spend most of my time inside the park. It is lovely though. Look, they even have this camera here. as a display. Really cool. My mom's already had a little candy from here, and I wanted to also show you this artwork, which is very cute. It's of a little boy dreaming. We've got some of the different characters, classic characters, Donald, Pluto, Mickey, Minnie, Goofy. Very cute. And the cool thing is you don't even have to show your card or anything to access this lounge. As long as you're staying concierge level, your name will be there. So you come here, you give them your name, your surname, the name of the person that booked it, and you should be able to come in. But yeah, this is it. Like I said, it should be closing very soon. We're going to carry on walking around the hotel, maybe grab a bite to eat because we're quite hungry, both of us, and then who knows. Look at this beautiful grand lobby though at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. Very reminiscent of the Grand Floridian in Disney World, the Disneyland Hotel in Disneyland Paris. It's very much a similar style, Victorian style. I love it though. I really like this water piece in the middle. I think it makes it so nice. But we're going to go down the stairs now because they actually have a little supermarket downstairs, or I should really say convenience store. So we thought we'd go and have a quick look at that as well, maybe grab a couple of things from there. But look at this beautiful mural of Alice. It's all made out of tiles as well. Like, look at that. So nice. The convenience store is called Looking Glass Gifts, and it has all your fun things. Loads of Disney items, sandwiches, drinks, etc. Oh my god, look at this. Donald Duck 90th socks. Very fun. You've got some photo packs over here, moisturizer. They've got some mints by the looks of it. There's a lot going on actually. It's not the biggest of convenience stores. However, like I said, you can find almost anything you want here. My aunt, cousin and my mom are currently having a look at some of these little rice sandwiches. So we might be picking up a couple of these onigiris. There's a salmon one, grilled salmon one. I think my mom's picked herself a tuna one. But yeah, these we really like. Oh, what have you found, Mom? My mom loves strawberry flavored things. Up here we've got some cheeses. There's a Winnie the Pooh one, there's a mini one over here, Mickey. I remember last time I tried them, I wasn't sure what they would be. I thought they might be white chocolate, but they ended up being cheese. They look like white chocolate, don't they, cousin?
You liked it?
I liked it, yeah. This is my cousin's first time experiencing my new camera, the DJI Pocket. Yeah, you can literally, like, do you want me to do it again? 1, 2, 3. Now we're going here. Now we're on Pooh Bear. Now we're back. I love this camera. Also, have a look at this. Loads of little blind boxes over here. These are tiny Mickeys that you can get. Well, not just Mickeys, different Disney characters that you can potentially get. There's another one down there. There's a Toy Story one over there. Oh my god, this is so fun. I'm not gonna get into it because otherwise I would want to collect them all, but it is fun. They have literally so many options available. There's even a Baymax one over there. They also do have all your essentials, so toothpaste, toothbrush, even nail clippers if you've forgotten them, brushes for children, anything that you might have forgotten. My mom is feeling everything with all the sweets to try and figure out what they might be, because obviously the majority of them all have Japanese names. And look how cute these are. Cord wheel case. This is so adorable. Different designs, mainly Winnie the Pooh over here. They also have some bottles here. There's a Baymax bottle here. They have some towels. Very cool. Loads going on here. Pretty busy at this time of evening as well. You can also grab yourself some ponchos if you would like to. Really like that Winnie the Pooh one. Oh wow, they've got different designs of ponchos. That's cool. Much more fun than the boring ones that you can get in some other theme parks. And then they have a selection of umbrellas as well. Well, my mom just had her first ever experience of a Japanese convenience store, albeit it being one at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel, which makes it even cuter because they have loads of Disney stuff. And I think we're going to head back to our rooms now. We're both very, very tired. My aunt and cousin are tired as well because they had a full day in Tokyo. They walked around the city. They went to Harajuku, which hopefully will be going as well later on in the vlog series. But yeah, it's been amazing. It's been such an amazing entrance to Tokyo Disney. Anyway, we are back in our room now. This is our little mini haul from the convenience store at the Disneyland Hotel. We've got some nuts. I went for one of the cheeses. We have a couple of onigiris, the tuna ones. My mom's picked up those. I don't even know what they are, to be fair. Looks to be some kind of biscuity sticks. And then we've got our desserts here, a chocolate one and a strawberry one. If you love strawberry, there's plenty of strawberry flavored things here in Japan. They love their strawberry, so there you go. We've got this wonderful view. We're just going to chill here, enjoy a very light dinner, and then sleep to get ready for tomorrow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this shorter vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I mainly just wanted to show you this beautiful tour of the room that we're staying at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel, especially because of the theme park view that we have. This is my first time having a theme park view here at Tokyo Disney, staying in a Tokyo Disney resort, especially obviously the main one. I think it's the best view that you can get really of the main park. The castle is there somewhere. But yeah, really tired. It's been a long travel day. We haven't slept yet properly. Well, we slept a little bit on the plane, but neither of us have been able to sleep on a bed, proper bed, since like 2 days ago. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw the monorails just going past. Very excited. We're going to be getting the monorail in a couple of days' time when we go to Tokyo Disney Sea, because obviously Tokyo Disneyland is within walking distance. We just go to the other side and we're going to be in the park, which is amazing. But for Tokyo Disney Sea, we do have to get the monorail. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram. Huge shout out to my lovely Patreon members and my YouTube members. You guys are amazing. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe for more videos. And for now, we're going to enjoy this and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.